In order to create a hole in an object, first of all, we create the first object using the CAD element. So let's go on CAD, rectangle, create the first element, left click and second left click, create objects. We set the height 100 centimeters, for example. Okay. And the hole will be created using the same mechanism. So always CAD, rectangle. Let's create the shape of it. Left click and again left click. Create object. The height and elevation of the hole must correspond to the height of the first object as to create the hole into it. So for example, the height could be 30 centimeters and the elevation 70. Okay, let's check that everything has come out correctly in navigation. Yes, it has. And before tiling the hole inside the object, we need to flip the normals in this way. So right click on any side of the hole, flip normals. Then we go to coverings on the left and we drag and drop the material. Here we go. If we want to use a self-drilling element, a bathtub for example, and we want to create a hole in this object we have created, let's go look for self-drilling bathtubs first of all. Let's scroll down a little bit. Drag and drop the item. Let's give the correct elevation by clicking on H on the keyboard and left click on the border of the element we would like to hold. After that, we can position the bathtub on the object. So left click. Let's go to virtual navigation to check the outcome. And here we are.